Hey guys, so today I have the RUKO U11 Mini 4K. I have been playing around with this drone for about a week now and I really enjoy it. It's a really nice portable drone that has a lot of great features going for it. We're just going to do a little test flight here. So you can see I have my controller with my smartphone attached and it is nice and paired. All you got to do is turn it on and it will automatically pair. A very simple process. But now we'll go ahead and place it on a flat surface and we will go ahead and launch this. So we'll go ahead and slide this slider. You can see it is ready to take off. Just hit take off. And there it goes. So really easy controls here. Very easy to figure out. So this is super fun to fly and really easy to control. Very self-explanatory, and on the screen here you have a perfect view of everything that's going on. So we'll go ahead and gain some altitude here. Right on the bottom it has the height in feet, the distance from me, and a whole bunch of other stats up here like your GPS signal, your battery life remaining for the controller and for the drone itself. So we'll go ahead and fly it, get a little more height on here. You can see that it is a cloudy day here, but the footage is very, very good quality. We'll go ahead and start a recording here. So just hit record, and I do have a micro SD card into it, so it is saving directly to the micro SD card. I'm spinning around here. Very cloudy day, so I don't want to go and get lost in the clouds, but you can see the footage is definitely nice and crystal clear and very fluid and smooth while I am flying it. Go ahead and spin around here and get a different view. Really fun to use. No issues at all. Very beginner friendly and super simple to figure out. And this thing is pretty quick too. Gets a lot of speed going on it, and it's pretty fun to just fly around very freely. Get some more altitude up on there. And we're up in the clouds now. So we'll go ahead and return it to home. Click there. We'll slide this, and it will return to home. Right there. Perfect. As you can see, this is a really cool drone. It's got some great capabilities and a lot of great features going for it. If you're looking for a beginner-friendly drone, definitely go with a RUKO U11 Mini 4K. I've been very happy with this little drone, and I'm sure that you guys will be too.